Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So today I'll be sharing a very quick guide on how to use the UKG Pro Payroll. So I don't have the direct access to the live dashboard since it requires a company account, but don't worry because I still walk you through the most important information you need to know if you're planning to use this tool. So just have to visit their website. Okay, and then after that, just simply click on the Get Started option right here at the top right of your screen. This one. Okay, so here you can speak with sales so that you can sign up for an account because you cannot really find a sign up option right here. And before that, you can also watch their product demonstration. Okay, so here let's just go to the solutions and let's start with the human capital management. Okay, so here for the human capital management, they have a very powerful HCM software that simplifies and enriches every step of the work journey. So they have this platform on data, human resources, payroll, culture, workforce management, and talent. For the platform and data, it combines your people and culture data with the UKG's AI platform and unlock insights that drive better outcomes for your people and your business. For the human resources, you can manage your HR, benefits, compensation, and people data in one place to reduce administrative burden and minimize the compliance risk. And for the payroll, you can ensure timely, accurate, and compliant payroll delivery to employees all across the globe. Okay, so let's proceed to the workforce management. Okay, so for the workforce management, as you can see right here, we have time and attendance, scheduling, analytics, compliance, communication and collaboration, and strategic workforce planning. So for the time and attendance, you can easily clock in and out. You can request time off and sync hours to payroll, so reducing the admin for managers while keeping your business compliant. For the scheduling, you can help managers ensure every shift has optimal coverage while giving employees the flexibility to choose how and when they work. And for the analytics, you can provide managers with real time reports and insights to make smarter workforce decisions and maximize team productivity. For the compliance, you can keep your organization one step ahead of the government and industry with the proper insights, information, and tools. Okay, so here you can also optimize the workforce operations for better business outcomes, simplify processes to enhance the employee experience, and then leverage the right technology to drive workplace impact. Next one, let's proceed to the small business. Okay, so for the small business, you can empower your team with an all one HR payroll, time, and culture solution that enhances productivity and elevates people and business performance. So here we have the streamline your HR processes, so reduce the administrative HR task and compliance risk with centralized employee information, streamlined benefits management, and automated processes. You can also ensure accurate and timely payroll to save your team's time and boost accuracy with the payroll processes that simplify complex payroll, provide real-time information, and help ensure regulatory compliance. It can also attract the best talent while retaining and developing your people. So here, simplify timekeeping and scheduling. You can automate workforce management with tools and track the time, approvals, and leave. So, and align schedules with employee preferences with operational demands. Okay, so here you can also reduce the non-compliance risk. Okay, and then for the easily connect your other business tools with theirs. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. We also have here the mid-size business. Okay, so on the mid-size business, as you can see right here, you can set your employees up for success with AI-driven HR payroll, time, and culture solutions that build trust, boost the productivity, and drive high performance. So their platform is backed by expert support every step of the way. So you can eliminate the paperwork and inefficiencies, pay your people accurately and on time, and then source talent and foster internal culture and streamline scheduling and timekeeping. Can also minimize compliance risk. Connect your existing business tools with the UKG. That's right. Okay. And right here as well, this is a fast growing organizations thrive with UKG. Okay, next one, let's proceed to the retail. Okay, so for the retail, you can empower your workforce with HR, workforce management, and pay solutions. For retail industries, we serve like convenience stores, groceries, and retail. Okay, so right here can create an exceptional employee experience, can optimize your workforce, and then drive digital transformation. Okay, so for the human capital management, as you can see right here, we have the HCM for large organization and HCM for mid-size and small organization. Okay, so for the workforce management, we have the workforce management, advanced scheduling, and the workforce planning. Now, for the pay, so they have a multi country payroll and payroll. Now, for the AI and data, they have artificial intelligence or AI and the analytics and reporting. And then for the culture, as you can see right here, you can attract and retain talent is not always about pay and perks. It's about culture and the trust. And of course, the employee communication and the financial wellness. Now let's go to the hospitality. Now let's go to the hospitality and food services. Okay, so I think this is the last one that we are going to talk about, but we'll try to proceed to the next one after this one. Okay, so here you can retain talent with great employee experiences. So high turnover rates in hospitality and food service are costly to your organizations. So you can also gain visibility into workforce system. So by having one system for all your workforce management and human capital management needs, your business will have access to data in one place, so quickly and efficiently. So managers can make real-time decisions that are data-driven, all while improving employee efficiency and productivity. And for the proactive compliance alerts and automation for your organization, maintaining compliance with rapidly changing laws requires a proactive strategy. So again, if you want to use this tool, you can visit their website and then watch their product demonstration before you contact the sales and then ask for assistant for the signing up process. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.